A very good afternoon to each one of you present here. I am Muskan Chok, welcome you all to this insightful gathering. First and foremost, I would like to extend a formal welcome to our respected Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Sir, along with our dedicated staff members of our ISC team. Dear teachers, we have an esteemed resource person today with us, whose knowledge and expertise know no bounds. And so, on behalf of Imperial International School for Excellence, management, faculty, and all our dear staff members, I would like to extend a gracious and warm welcome to our resource person of the day, Miss Asia Shaheen, along with the convener of this workshop, Mr. Chandan Garg. It's my honor to welcome both of you and have you here in person, sir and ma'am. So, I would like to request our principal ma'am to kindly escort ma'am and sir here and extend a formal welcome with a bouquet, and to Asia ma'am and Chandan sir to kindly accept. Please ma'am, please sir. Before we move ahead, I would like to give you a glimpse into Asia ma'am's exemplary life. Miss Asia Shaheen is product manager and soft skills specialist from Kids Learn. Is a certified trainer, master trainer in soft skills, and has dedicated 5 years to empowering youth and educators. She is an expert in topics like introduction to AI and emerging technologies, cyber awareness and cyber security, classroom management, and so on. The list does not stop. So, with a great rich background in educational training and development, Ms. Shaheen has continuously worked towards bridging the gap between traditional teaching methods and creative approaches, making her the perfect guide for today's workshop. We look forward to diving into the insights and gain practical strategies that will surely help us nurture both the intellectual and creative potential of our students. So, let us open our minds to new possibilities and enjoy the exciting and enriching workshop. Thereupon, without further ado, in your huge claps, I would like to call Ms. Asia Shaheen to come to the dais and impart her valuable knowledge with us. Please, ma'am.
Everyone try to read this. Everyone.
Thinking about 17
So how many
It was
of you
hard,
are
but
not able
now
to read it? How many of you are not able to read it? Everyone is able to read it?
Yes.
Why? See, if we are able to read only literature, we would not be in a position to read it. Why? Because it's puzzled, right? It's puzzled. But because we are actually learning naturally, natural learners learn through combinations, patterns. Right now you are not doing anything, you are just understanding the pattern, the combination, not the literature. And art is all about pattern, the sequencing, the colors, right? So that's why you are able to read it, because we all learn naturally. It's a natural process of learning. When we talk about conventional learning process, remote learning in the classroom, we are actually trying to use the non-natural way of learning process. That's why retention of knowledge, whatever we are reading, the understanding and retention of knowledge is not at the peak. वो peak पर नहीं होता है. What we say and what we do, which is participation in discussion, giving a talk, doing a dramatic presentation, stimulating the real experience, doing the real thing. All these things. So we have to focus. As a teacher, you are already doing this. As a teacher, you are already doing this. So we have to focus on this, because you can see if this is where a student stands. So we have to bring it to this, where the knowledge comprehensive knowledge is extended. आप पिरामिड का एग्जाम्पल क्यों लेते हैं? चाहे वो ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी में हो, चाहे वो इसमें ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी में भी अगर हम बात करते हैं तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग या रिमेम्बरेंस सबसे ज्यादा लेता है. पहला लेवल क्या है? रिमेम्बरेंस. जो पहला लेवल है रिमेम्बरेंस, तो सबसे ज्यादा एरिया कौन सा लेता है? रिमेम्बरेंस. अच्छा, याद क्या रखा हुआ है? फिर आता है अंडरस्टैंडिंग, फिर आता है एप्लीकेशन, फिर आता है इवैल्यूएशन, है ना? एंड देन क्रिएट,
एनालाइज, इवैल्यूएशन एंड क्रिएटिंग.
एनालाइज, evaluation and then create. So the create is small because धीरे 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 बच्चा creative बनता है, but understanding is very important, और remembrance is very important. Similarly, जो नीचे का जो part होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है, and it's talk only about 90% or 70% of the knowledge. Got? Any questions so far?
No, ma'am.
Any questions?
No, ma'am.
No questions? So let's understand how we can what is the benefit of art. अब तक में हमने समझा कि retention होता है, but there is a term in LCF and NEP, it's called holistic development. How many of you know holistic development? See, holistic development which caters all part of a child's life, right? Whether it's their cognitive skills, their physical skills, their emotional well-being, everything need to be intact. जब हम कंटेंट रोट लर्निंग करते हैं तो बच्चों की सिर्फ हम क्या डेवलप करते हैं? या तो हम कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं बच्चों की, या तो हम बच्चों की करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं, किसी भी एक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक का नॉलेज इन्हांस कर रहे हैं. जब हम हॉलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट कर रहे होते हैं तो बच्चों की हम क्या कैटर करते हैं? हम करते हैं क्रिएटिविटी को, ऑल फोर सीज विच इज क्रिएटिविटी, कम्युनिकेशन, कोलैबोरेशन एंड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, राइट? क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स, make decisions. Just think about a child who is just going out from school 9th or 10th and going to the school, going to the college. What happened? Parents generally say that अभी कुछ नहीं करना है खुद से, हर चीज़ करके दे रहे हैं. कब तक करके दे रहे हैं? 10th तक या 12th तक मैक्सिमम. लेकिन जैसे बच्चा कॉलेज में जाता है, पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि अब बड़ा हो गया, ये सब कुछ खुद करेगा, है ना? लेकिन हमने बच्चे को सिखाया ही नहीं खुद से करना कैसे. जब हमने बच्चों को दिया ही नहीं क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, डिसीजन लेने की कैपेसिटी नहीं दी. एक बार बच्चे बड़े डिसीजन नहीं लेंगे, छोटे डिसीजन. जैसे कि हम बात करते हैं, जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, एक छोटे से बच्चे को हमने किया, कलर दे दिया, हमने वहाँ पे बच्चे को बोला कि ब्लॉक्स निकालने हैं डिफरेंट कलर्स के और उसके राइट बॉक्स में डालने हैं. बच्चा क्या कर रहा है? डिसीजन ले रहा है कि रेड ब्लॉक्स को मुझे रेड बॉक्स में डालना है ना? ऑल दीज आर डिसीजंस. So with slowly and gradually we are helping them to solve problems and to make decisions, right? And then real time decisions लेने की हम उनको आदत देते हैं. Similarly, जब हम आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे बच्चों की क्रिएटिविटी को इन्हांस करते हैं, वहाँ पे बच्चों की क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को इन्हांस करते हैं. किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम को हम इजी वे में उनको लर्निंग उनकी केटर करते हैं. देन बच्चों का इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस इन्हांस करते हैं. जैसे कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फेस्टिवल्स. Festival talks about different colors, different cultures, history, right? In general, क्या अगर फेस्टिवल की बात करते हैं तो ये हमारे करिकुलम का भी पार्ट है. When we talk about festivals, are we helping students to inculcate their values? क्या हम उनकी वैल्यूज की इन्हांस कर रहे होते हैं वहाँ पे?
It's absolutely wrong.
क्या जब वैल्यूज उनकी इन्हांस होंगे तो क्या होगी? इनका सोशल इंटेलिजेंस और इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस आएगा. क्योंकि हम जब भी कोई डिसीजन लेते हैं, हमारे पास कोई बेस होना चाहिए डिसीजन लेने का, ना? हम ऐसे इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस क्या होता है? द बैलेंस बिटवीन इमोशंस, दैट्स कॉल्ड इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. So when we are giving them power of value, and value comes with culture, with society, you know, with family, with history. So all these are increasing their social intelligence and their cognitive skills. Again, problem solving skills are there, right? Let's take for an example. The example लेते हैं हम इसमें. I want to teach my student money. I'm a math teacher. I want to teach my student money. I want to integrate art into it. Who are math teachers? Who are math teachers? Don't shy. See, we all are learning over here. There's no one is judging you all. We together we are going to learn, right? Math teacher. Anyone else? Okay, maths. Can ladies please come forward? I was expecting these two gentlemen to raise their hand when I talk about maths. आप क्या subject लेते थे? जनरली जब मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ तो मैक्सिमम जेंट्स का हाथ उठता है फॉर मैथ्स. Yeah.
So you are truly feminist.
That's great. So let's understand. You might be taking from different grades, different grades are there. So money is a part of all grades, from class 1 to 10th 12. It's a part of
Yes.
agree. Okay. So let's understand. Is it possible to create a lesson where we can integrate art into it? आर्ट क्या होता है? आर्ट आपको म्यूजिक होता है, आर्ट आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन होता है, आर्ट रोल प्ले होता है, आर्ट आपको जहाँ पे बच्चे एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे, दे आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग. हिस्ट्री इज एन आर्ट, दे आर इंटीग्रेटिंग हिस्ट्री ऑल टुगेदर, इज ऑल्सो एन आर्ट इन मैथमेटिक्स. That is also an art. We talk about painting specifically, that is also an art, right? But then a lot of music is art, dance is art, a lot of things are arts. So you are using any of the elements to create a lesson for money in different ways. आपने अपने grade के लिए just take 2 minutes time, talk, ठीक है? Talk, discuss and come. कि कैसे आप इसको use करेंगे for a student to learn money. Any of the process, ठीक है? Meanwhile, I want all the teachers to get into pair. Pair समझते हैं ना? Pair समझते हैं ना? ठीक है. Get into pair. Turn around. Those who are just facing me, turn around. Find your pair. Discuss your own subject and art into it. Take 2 minutes time. It's an activity. Think, pair and share. Just pair this one. मेरा सब्जेक्ट है इंग्लिश. आर्ट इंटीग्रेट किया मैंने. कौन सा पैडागॉजी यूज किया? आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन का पैडागॉजी. ठीक है. आई एम यूजिंग आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन इन माय सब्जेक्ट. व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स दैट आई एम क्रिएटिंग एंड हाउ वी आर इंटीग्रेटिंग. 2 क्वेश्चन है. हाउ वी आर क्रिएटिंग इट एंड बेनिफिट मुझे क्या मिल रहा है उससे, ये हम जानेंगे आपस में डिस्कस करके. ठीक है. गुड. राइट इट डाउन दीज थिंग्स. हाउ एंड बेनिफिट्स.
थर्ड क्लास के लिए सपोज अगर हमें करवाना है कि छोटे बच्चों को थर्ड से नीचे वाली क्लासेस को, उसमें हम मनी की को करवा सकते हैं कि हम करेंसी को ले आते हैं. जैसे 10 रुपीज़ का नोट है, 50 का है, 10 का है, तो हम उनको ये भी बता सकते हैं, बच्चों को ये एक्टिविटी करवा सकते हैं. दिस इज द नोट ऑफ 10 रुपीज़. आप उससे क्या क्या चीज पाई कर सकते हैं. आइडेंटिफिकेशन रिकॉफ. हाँ यस. देन उसके बाद में हम ये करवा सकते हैं, हम रोल प्ले करवा सकते हैं. कस्टमर और शॉपकीपर बना देंगे. बच्चा जाता है अपना कोई फेवरेट टॉय या कोई फेवरेट चॉकलेट लेने जाता है, सपोज कर वो 50 रुपीज़ की है और आपके पास 100 रुपीज़ का नोट है, तो उसमें एक्सचेंज रिटर्न होगा, उसको मतलब रिको हो जाएगा.
ओके फाइन. टेल मी द बेनिफिट्स. यू टेल मी द बेनिफिट्स.
मैम एक तो उनको आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो जाएगी अगर उन्हें कोई चीज़ परचेज करनी है.
समझ रहे हैं आप? When we are actually making student understand, see what happened. Our kids, let's take it, our kids are going to school. They are learning money from class UKG onward. Till grade 5, they are not able to use money. पैसा है, हम सबके पास पैसा है, बट हमें हमारे बच्चे को मनी यूज करने नहीं आता है ना? आता है क्या? नहीं आता है. They don't know. माँ बाप क्या करते हैं, उसको 10 रुपए देते हैं. अगर 10 रुपए का सामान लेना है तो 1 रुपए भी एक्सचेंज में नहीं आना चाहिए. पता नहीं बच्चा गुम कर देगा, पता नहीं क्या करेगा, तो 10 ही रुपए देंगे उसको, 100 ही रुपए देंगे. पूरा सामान लिस्ट देंगे कि कहीं पे एक्सचेंज ही नहीं आए, और लिस्ट लेके देंगे, बोलेंगे कि अंकल को दे देना. दे डोंट टेल हाउ टू एक्सचेंज द मनी. वेयर एज आप रिक्शा वाले के बच्चे को देख लो, आप खोंचे वाले बच्चों की बच्चे को देख लो, फिर छोटे छोटे बच्चे. आई एम टेलिंग यू 2 या 3 years kids, they know money very well, and it's not bad, it's a good thing. Actually, we are being over sensitive with our kids. We don't teach them how to see time. We don't teach them how to use money. with this process, we are making them understand how these notes look alike, what is the valuation of this note, the exchange, the demonstration process, again it's a process of art integration. We are making them understand the exchange, how it's happening. And this is not a part of class 3 grade, it's a part of class 1 and 2 grade. Because 1 and 2 में ही हम क्या कर रहे होते हैं, exchange करना शुरू कर देते हैं. Addition and subtraction of one, conversion of money to पैसे is happening from class 1 and 2 only.
Yes.
That need to be done in a very early stage. 3 बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, ठीक है. Higher grades पे कैसे करेंगे? You take higher grades?
यस मैम.
Okay. Higher grades पे कैसे
मैम
करेंगे?
हायर ग्रेड में हम रोल प्ले करवा सकते हैं.
Topic क्या रहेगा?
यस मैम.
Money का topic क्या रहेगा?
मैम जैसे कोई हम डेसिमल्स है, उसमें हम डेसिमल्स में हम एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मनी है ना, उसमें हम रोल प्ले करवा सकते हैं बच्चों को कि आप शॉपकीपर बन जाओ.
आप किस क्लास को लेते हो मैम?
मैम 3rd to 9th.
3rd to 9.
Yes.
आप बताओ मुझे 6, 7, 8.
मैम यूनिटरी मेथड के अकॉर्डिंग हम उनसे बिल जैसे बनाते हैं, प्राइस, क्वांटिटी, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दैट एडिशन ऑफ. यस मैम.
See,
उसमें आप
again, just give me a moment. Addition subtraction already happened in class 5, right? When we talk about money specifically, we have selected specific topic called money. When we talk about specifically money, discount important है. We talk about 50 plus 20, it's not 70 actually. As you know that the calculation will not come to 70, it's almost 67 or 66, right? So we need to make them understand how to calculate discount. We need to make them understand simple interest and compound interest,
प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस आल्सो.
profit and loss. So all these are money. When we talk about profit and loss, we talk about compound interest, simple interest, we talk about savings. Everything is money. आप सबने पढ़ा है money? पढ़ा है? कितनी को आता है compound interest and simple interest? How many of you are using it in your life? Compounding. So you may be using it, you're financially handling each and everything. Ladies don't understand financial thing. Investment, compounding का कितना benefit होता है? आपने देखा होगा SIP में, SIP
in mutual funds.
या SIP की बहुत सारे ads आते हैं. They are only talking about compounding. कि अगर आप 10 साल के लिए पैसा छोड़ देंगे, आपका इतना हो जाएगा. आप 10 साल इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, आपका इतना होगा. It's all about compounding. Similar thing is happened when we are taking loans. So why it's really important for the kids to understand money, because it's a very integral part of our life, right? And through art integration, what you are doing, the kind of benefit that you are creating is improving their, you are engaging a student, you are making them understand the entire concept, you are making them experience those concepts in their daily life as well. Experiential learning play a very vital role in retention of the knowledge. Any point that you want to make, ma'am?
And when we tell about the role play, we consider topic not only the unitary method. They can clarify the concepts like profit, loss, identification of the notes are in the grade 1 and 2, right? But what about the higher money, like 500, but we have to buy in the 500. But is the benefit of 500? हम क्या क्या खरीद सकते उससे? Even in the grade 5th and 6th, they don't know about the money. कि 500 नोट में हम क्या क्या आ सकता है, इसका बेनिफिट क्या है. अगर हमने लॉस्ट कर दिया तो हमें क्या होगा? दे डोंट नो अबाउट दिस. अगर हम मनी से उनसे बिल बनवाएंगे कि लाइक आपने स्टेशनरी से सामान लेके आना है, यू हैव टू बाय द शॉप्स लाइक स्टेप्स बाय दिस, एंड यू हैव टू गो टू द ग्रोसरी शॉप एंड बाय द वेजिटेबल्स फॉर योर मदर. इंक्लूडेड वैल्यूज भी आएंगी कि मम्मा हम कैसे बाय करते हैं, कौन कौन वेजिटेबल्स हमारे लिए बेनिफिट है, क्या क्या उसके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स हैं. नॉट ओनली अबाउट द कि मनी से हम सिर्फ ये खरीद सकते हैं वो खरीद सकते हैं, उनसे वैल्यूज भी इनकलकेट होती हैं.
अब just turn around. The first part, what is written?
Interdisciplinary learning.
Interdisciplinary learning. When we are integrating art, we are actually enhancing interdisciplinary approach. What is interdisciplinary approach? Where we are integrating, we are using one subject and giving student to visualize the possibilities, to see that one concept with multiple subjects. That's called interdisciplinary approach. Right now, what she said, that if we are creating an environment of supermarket for the kids, we are actually integrating, we are actually using a subject of maths, using one concept, to make them understand the concept, we are making them visualize the entire supermarket for them. Supermarket is not actually a part of mathematics, but we are using mathematics in supermarket itself, right? So it's called interdisciplinary. We are actually establishing cross-curricular linkage. And it is talking about cross-curricular linkage. Are we implementing it in the classroom? Sometimes, right? At cross curriculum linkage, we need to understand that you have to use some selected topic. At the very beginning of the session, you have to sit with the content. आपने TOC के साथ बैठना है. You have to select topics. क्योंकि find these are the selected 5 topics or subtopic, not only the entire topic, subtopics with which we are going to create an art integration or interdisciplinary cross-curriculum linkage for where demonstration can happen, where visualization can happen, where role play can take place, where we can use visualization is all about when a student is visualizing a note, that is visualization, right? So where you are making them understand the art, the design thinking is happening over there. So we have to select those, jot down the topic. अगर आप सोचोगे कि आज मैं जा रहा हूँ क्लास में और आज we are going to introduce art integration, it's not going to happen. It needs a lot of planning, right? Alright, you will take a tea break. Before that, I hope you all have written, understand the exchange of 2 subjects and integration of art right now in your subject.
Yes.
We'll come back and we'll take up 1 or 2 from each table. Okay, done?
Yes.
We'll take a 5 minutes break now. Okay. Anyone? Any specific partners? 2 of the partners? आपने डिस्कस किया ना अभी आपस में, तो क्या डिस्कस किया? What are the results that you are coming up with? Subject, topic, benefits, how? Like how you are integrating it, what are the benefits that you are coming up with? Anyone? For the back bench? You want to come up? Who was your partner?
I was the partner.
Okay.
First one, role play. As they said about the financial education, same thing can we do in language subject also, ma'am.
Language, okay.
Yes.
Let's understand more deeper way of role play. Okay. A role play is there in language. Topic, any topic?
Same as like financial education, because as you know, we
Language
can integrate, we can
language can
integrate,
be taken in
yeah.
any level, in any subject.
In any subject.
See, why I'm saying, when we talk about role play specifically, let's take it, I'm a science teacher. I'm a science teacher, and a week 3, I'm giving my student to understand different organs, okay, different organs or sense organs. So what students are going to do, they are going to take a character, any organ. She's a liver, and she's the kidney, and someone is digestive system, the throat, and someone is heart. So multiple organs are there. So when they are playing a role of that particular organ, they are going to come forward, giving the benefits, the how which food is supporting that organ, which food is could harm your body, that particular organ. What are the values of that organ as well. So the role play is not only about coming and doing some dialogue sharing. It's not only with the dialogue sharing that we have to do. Art can be in a multiple form. Let's take it because I want to play a role of a kidney, so I will be wearing a kidney. No?
Visualization.
I can do that?
Yes.
Visually?
Yes.
So that everyone could understand when I'm coming on stage that I'm a kidney. I mean, she's coming, she's a heart. I mean, she's coming, she's a liver. Right? So, my audience, my people, they know that who is coming and what they're demonstrating. That is role play. Again, integration of art. Excitement. Thank you. Again, how many of you know about mind map? Mind maps. How many of you know about graphic organizers? Graphic organizers, no? Where the connections. Where we talk about the connections, right? Let's take it. I'm talking about different parts of plant, right? So there is one plant, then part of plant. Let's talk about. I'm talking about solar system. This different solar system. No, solar system. Different planets, heavenly bodies. Their identification. Let's talk about sun, and their description. So we are not actually writing a paragraph. We are making a visual aid, a complete demonstration through mind maps or graphic organizer. Okay? So all these graphic organizer are art integration. So we as a teacher have a lot of scopes of integrating art in our education, and that in a very friendly way, where student would be it's going to lower your burden. Trust me. Let's take it, I'm a science teacher or an arts teacher or maths teacher or any other teacher, and I'm asking my student to write a science teacher, and I'm asking my student to give a complete detailed description of solar system. I'm getting a book copy of 1 page paragraph, 1 page full answer. I have to read it. I have to read it. will take time consuming, 30 student, 40 student, time consuming. Let's take it, my the entire class has created a visual aid, graphic organizer, which is mind map or a graphic organizer, any what do you say, flow chart. Okay? So, is it going to be helpful for you to check the paper?
Correct, ma'am. Easy to check.
No
mistakes.
Very easy to check.
And no mistakes.
No mistakes.
Yes.
Student, even though you are going to evaluate a child's understanding, their remembrance power, their what do you say, application power as well, right? With one way of assessment, art integration is a way of evaluating a child through art. You've been in a position to identify it. Opening the window.
Yes.
It's not only about dance. We as a teacher think that यार टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास डांस कराने का बच्चों को, हम अपने सब्जेक्ट में डांस कैसे कराएंगे? How we can integrate an art with music is very tough. Again ड्रामा कितना कराएंगे? बच्चा हल्ला करेगा बच्चा हल्ला?
That is the main point, ma'am.
टाइम जाएगा, सब चिल्ला चिल्ली करेगा. Now with this graphic organizer, see, I can understand the pain point of the teacher. I am with you, but I'm with students as well. Somehow, someway, because we are not able to organize a class, we are not able to manage a classroom, we are not using these techniques where creativity can enhance, where collaboration can enhance, where critical thinking can enhance, which is very important part of a child's development. Got it?
Yes.
So when we talk about this strategy, it's professional development, keep on upgrading yourself, keep on exploring. Learning is very important. These kind of a workshop, it plays a very vital role. But apart from that, self-learning is also important. So if you are not actually reading or exploring the internet now with technology, you can explore anything, you can read anything, and with AI you can actually do whatever you want with a phone. Everyone is having a phone right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is having a internet connection.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there is one application called Perplexity. There is an application called Perplexity. Download this application, keep it for you. It is a research-based application. It gives you real-time research. You have to write any question. कोई भी question पूछेगी, उसका आपको detail answer मिलेगा. It's better than ChatGPT in terms of answering. It's better than ChatGPT in terms of answering. It's for your own professional development. Second, we talk about collaboration. How far as a teacher we are collaborating? कितने लोग आपस में बात करते हैं? As a teacher, how far you are collaborating? Before coming, I actually we were having a discussion that during COVID time they implemented Oxford Advantage, and sir, I think he was. So sir used to train himself, and then he used to train other teachers, and then she used to train other teachers. So that is a process of collaboration that is happening, right?
Yes.
So it's good that you are in a school where a lot of collaboration is already happening. Collaboration should be in a way where you can bring success to the student. Like you have to collaborate to understand your student. Like 40 minutes in class is not possible for you to understand every individual in the classroom. Right now I'm standing 2 hours. I will not be in a position to understand every teacher, right? But if every day I will be in a position to come over here and we 3 are the teachers or we 3 are the teachers, we can understand 4, she can understand 4, and he can understand 4. And when we are discussing, we are collaborating, what will happen? We are in a position to understand 8, 12 of us, right? So collaboration plays a very vital role. Apart from that, in terms of implementing art integration or implementation of interdisciplinary approach or cross-curriculum linkage, you need expertise of those subjects as well. आपको subject expertise चाहिए. Let's take it. I am integrating. I'm talking about force. I'm talking about force. ठीक है? So I will. Who is the art teacher? Art and activity. पेपर वाली एक्टिविटी कराते हैं, ड्राइंग कराते हैं. She is on leave. There is a very small activity. अच्छा, he is on leave. Okay. So. So, see, there is an activity called paper folding activity where we create a lot of things. Right? We create a balloon, paper balloon. We also create a aeroplane, right? So there is a multiple way of creating an aeroplane. As a science teacher, I went and I collaborated with him and I asked, okay fine, tell me 3 different ways of creating a aeroplane. Okay, and also tell me which aeroplane is going to go far. He will give you the, see at the art teacher, he don't know the science about it. He may not know the science why this aeroplane is going far and why this aeroplane is not going far. But he knows that there are 3 different ways to create an aeroplane and this aeroplane will go far. This aeroplane is not going to come down, it's going to fly in the sky. But as a science teacher, as a physics teacher, you know the mechanism behind it. So once you are using that technique of making an, aeroplane, you are going to help student understand the force, the gravity, the pressure, in a very simple way. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So collaboration play a very vital role. You may, as a science teacher, I may not understand the different way of creating aeroplanes. No, I don't know. But as an art teacher do. But with him, with his support, I would be in a position to create a practical environment, experiential learning in my classroom. So you understand why it's really important for a teacher to collaborate together?
Yes.
So it's really important for a teacher to collaborate, take time, discuss. Again, that need a lot of planning as well. You can't just go randomly to a teacher and say that she is also having some time, some responsibility. You can't go randomly and just collaborate with her. You need to do a lot of lesson planning as well. In terms of topic selection, you need to select the topics. You can't just randomly select the topics. You need to do a lot of lesson planning. Again, there's one application called ChatGPT. How many of you know ChatGPT? Okay, sir, you know ChatGPT? Yeah. So you have to teach them how to use ChatGPT in terms of creating a lesson. Whenever we are creating a lesson, you have to give a proper prompt in terms of ChatGPT can act like a mentor to you, like a teacher to you. They can be a creative writer for you, and they can create a complete detailed lesson plan. You may ask them to create a 2-day lesson plan, 40 minutes lesson plan with an activity as well. Whatever prompt you are going to give them, let's take it, I want to create a lesson plans in social science. Okay? And the topic is parliament. Okay? So I am giving a prompt to the ChatGPT saying that ChatGPT act like a teacher of class grade 6. 6 mein aata hai parliament, if I'm not wrong. 6, 7.
Yes, correct.
If I'm not wrong,
Yes.
please correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 6, 7, right?
7 to 8.
7. 7. Okay. 7. So act like a teacher and create a lesson plans of 40 minutes or 40 minutes, 2-day lesson plans of 40 minutes each. Topic parliament. And ये आपने दिया class क्यों देना है? Is using the range of knowledge which is there on internet. So when you are giving a classification of age or class and a topic, you are actually helping ChatGPT to filter the content. You are asking them to filter the content. Now you have to ask them to create a lesson plan with warm-up activity, because they may create a lesson plan in a brief way or in a detailed way. Brief में भी create कर सकते हैं और detailed way भी create कर सकते हैं. What you want? You want an activity-based lesson plan. You want a rubric-based lesson plan. Activity है but rubric नहीं है. Rubric क्या होता है? बच्चे ने activity की, आपने उसको evaluate किया. There is a parameter of evaluation as well. So you have to give them, okay fine, create a lesson plan of a 2-day lesson plan, 40 minutes each on topic parliament for class grade 7 or class grade 8. Please give 5 minutes. Make sure, give them time period, 5 minutes, 10 minutes activity. Why? Because they may create a detailed, comprehensive, lengthy activity as well. If you talk about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, they will give you an activity based on art integration. Okay? Or 15 minutes activity or role play activity or demonstration activity or 15 minutes on parliament. Also give me the rubrics to evaluate a child's critical thinking, communication and collaboration skill. I am giving the parameters as well. Once you have given that, they will be creating a complete detailed lesson plans for you, dividing the objective, the outcomes, the rubrics, everything. So creating a lesson plan will be easy for you. So these 3 strategy or these 3 elements are very, very important part of implementation of art integration or implementation of any pedagogy. It's not only art integration, any pedagogy, it needs these comprehensive planning, collaboration, engagement, lesson plannings, and more of all development. खुद को आप develop करो, खुद को research करना, research अगर a teacher is lifelong teacher, lifelong learner as well. सिर्फ teacher नहीं है, आप learner भी हैं, because things are changing and the rate of change is very, very frequent. Getting my point? So here I will end it. I will be doing an activity right now. We'll be taking 3 as a group, 3 table, each as a group. What you do, you have to select one topic, any form of art integration, create a subject, topic. लिख ले कहीं पर. First you have to select a subject, second you have to select a topic. Based on the topic you have to create a lesson in terms of any art integration, whether it's pictorial art integration or role play or dramatization or maybe it could be what do you say, graphic organizers, whatever form of art integration you can make it up, create a lesson plan, and we'll be visualizing right now over here. Shall we take it up? Yes. Okay. Use these AI tools because one was perplexity, right? Write it down, use it please. The second one was ChatGPT for lesson plans. The third one that I'm giving is Suno AI. Suno AI. So why I'm giving this Suno AI? So with ChatGPT, you have to give a command to ChatGPT. ChatGPT converts part of plants into a song. ChatGPT is going to create a song for you. With Suno AI, you have to use this song, you have to put it in the Suno AI and convert that entire song with voiceover. And you can give that song to your students, making them learn the entire parts of leaf in a rhymic or a song with lullaby, music. With music. So you can use this technique specifically in lower grade. You can talk about your higher, 6, 7, 8 or higher students to use Suno AI as well. And complex topic को वो खुद convert करे. Ask them to create the topic, convert it to a song, and learn that topic in a musical form. So write it down. You will not remember. Write these applications. It's called Suno AI. हिंदी सब्जेक्ट है. फॉर्म इज विजुअल, पिक्टोरियल, है ना, पिक्चर्स, ड्राइंग, पिक्चर्स, ऑल दीज आर फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट, राइट?
तो बच्चों इसका नाम बताओ.
ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड ये किस लेवल पे हमें इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, ये कौन सा लेवल पे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है? या फिफ्थ पे वेरी इजी, इट विल बी वेरी इजी. अगेन एक चीज हमें याद रखना चाहिए, whenever we are implementing any of the activity, the activity not need to be more complex. बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं होना चाहिए और बहुत इजी नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर इजी होगा तो भी बच्चे इंटरेस्ट छोड़ देंगे, डिस्टर्ब करेंगे पूरी क्लास को, और कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा देन ओनली बच्चे क्या करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे, डिस्टर्ब करेंगे क्लास को. एज एप्रोप्रिएट कंटेंट भी होना चाहिए, लेवल भी एज के हिसाब से होनी चाहिए. अगर इस तरह का अगर मैं कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज करती हूँ क्लास 4 में या 5 में, क्या है ये, इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर देम. So it need to be age appropriate. 1 and 2, good. Above, we need to enhance the level. Got it? Is it okay? बच्चे क्या सीख रहे हैं?
बच्चे सेकेंडरी सीख रहे हैं।
कंटेंट हो गया, व्हाट आर द अदर स्किल्स दैट दे आर गेनिंग?
अदर इस पे नाम लिखना, जैसे बच्चों को कॉपी खुलवाएं उसको लिखो।
What are the skill set in 21st century? Like communication, collaboration, critical thinking, right? Analyzing. Integration is not a skill, है ना? बच्चे यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल सीख रहे हैं, राइट? बिकॉज एक वचन बहुवचन, आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड नेमिंग इज अ प्रॉब्लम। याद रखना ये प्रॉब्लम है, उसको वो सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? राइटिंग और कंप्लीटिंग अ टास्क इज अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल। विद विजुअल एड दे विल फाइंड इंटरेस्ट इन लर्निंग। It's not interest in subject, it's not interest in content, interest in learning has been enhanced. Apart from that, it is also a part where a child is able to understand and communicate, right? Instruction आपने दिया, let's take it and seeing this, visualizing it, and then I'm solving it, right? So it's a part of communication. सिर्फ और सिर्फ communication शब्दों से नहीं होता है, देख कर भी होता है ना, सुन कर भी होता है। So visualize, whenever we are giving any kind of a worksheet, let's take it as a worksheet for the student, and they are visualizing it and they are completing the task. So problem solving skills भी enhance हो रही है बच्चों की, and communication, instruction reading enhance हो रहा है बच्चों का। Getting? So that's the implementation of lots and lots of worksheets. Graphical worksheets have been used for classes 1 and 2. 1 and 2 में नर्सरी, LKG, UKG, classes 1 and 2 में ये कहा गया है कि use lots and lots of worksheets. And that to picture-based worksheet. Okay? Thank you. Instead of coming with a one picture, I will ask them to create different parts. Some will become roots, some will become flowers, some will become seeds, some will become fruits, some will become roots, stems. You know? Got it? Complex में और complex जा सकते हैं because there are more complex parts of the plant as well. So now they are going to wear it. Wear that. Literally अगर मैं ये बात करूँगी, इसको मैंने इसे बांधा, बांध कर मैंने टांग लिया। हाँ, एग्जैक्टली। हम बड़ा बनाएंगे, टांग लेंगे।
Yes, no.
Now what will happen? Now we can create the sequence of the plant as well. Sequence में
From down to down and down.
Yeah, let's take it. अगर लीफ की बात करें, I will talk about leaf. आप समझो कि लेवल कैसे बढ़ा रही हूँ मैं। Leaf, parts of leaf are also there.
Yes.
ठीक है? Function of leaf is also there. So his leaf, she's carrying the function of leaf, she's carrying the parts of leaf, right? Now they will assemble together. They will assemble together to solve the problem. Get it?
Yes.
Yes. आपने क्या jigsaw create कर दिया with human body. Again, art integration.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Now it may happen that as a teacher you may find कि यार it's like every time we can't do that. So what you do? A4 size paper आता है. A4 size में आपने क्या करना है? आपने लीफ का ड्राइंग करना है, दूसरे में आपने पार्ट्स ऑफ लीफ लिखना है, तीसरे में आपने फंक्शन ऑफ लीफ लिखना है, चौथे में आपने वॉट एवर द सीक्वेंस आर यू हैव टू क्रिएट इट, लेमिनेटेड, आपने लेमिनेट कर दिया। नाउ आस्क क्रिएट अ ग्रुप, थ्री 3 का 4 का 5 का ग्रुप आपने क्रिएट किया, गिव दैट पजल टू देम। रूट का, ट्री, स्टेम का, नाउ व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल सीक्वेंस, वो सीक्वेंस करेंगे। हायर ग्रेड में कैसे कर सकते हैं? लेट्स टेक इट, केमिस्ट्री है, केमिस्ट्री में मैंने सेम पेपर लिया A4 साइज, हर एक पेपर में मैंने क्या किया है, आई हैव क्रिएटेड पीरियोडिक टेबल। लेट्स टेक इट पीरियोडिक टेबल। सो मेरे पीरियोडिक टेबल में क्या है, डिफरेंट फैमिलीज आते हैं, डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स आते हैं। तो हर एक पेपर में क्या है, एक एलिमेंट है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग दैट एलिमेंट, दे विल बी सीक्वेंसिंग एंड अरेंजिंग दी फैमिलीज एज एन ऑर्डर। हायर ग्रेड में भी इंप्लीमेंट हुआ, यू आर गेटिंग, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओनली जूनियर ग्रेड, art integration can be done throughout the academic year, even though PhD level tak. Not PhD level, I am talking about the graduation level. It can be done because PhD is entirely different. I am talking about कि हर एक level पे आप इसको art integration कर सकते हैं because वो experiential learning को cater करता है और उसका level आप क्या कर सकते हो, increase कर सकते हो. As a teacher, if you're not getting the window, अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा कैसे इसका level enhance करना है, take help of ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to create a more complex activity, or you can ask them to create level 1 and level 2 of the same activity. आपने plant part of plant पे level 1 activity create की and then level 2 activity create की and level 3 activity create की. Got it? Thank you so much.
This is topic vegetables and fruits, and students see the pictures and identify the vegetables and fruits, and teachers also show the flashcards animation pictures on the some audio and then visually theme based books. We show the some pictures and all students will identify the pictures. Rhymes,
Also, you know,
rhymes,
strawberry.
fruits, rhymes,
about
ma'am.
to say that. Yes.
Fruits, rhymes.
So, you know, in pre-primary specifically, we are having lots and lots of scope of art integration. बहुत ज़्यादा. Actually, when we talk about pre-primary, it's all about activity-based teaching. It's all about art integration, visual aid learning, game-based learning, play-based learning. So lots of methods have been incorporated. That too, hands-on learning is there. When we talk about specifically parts fruits or vegetable, they are level up again. बच्चे को अगर हम सेम क्लास में लेवल कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर बच्चे पहले आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्लैश कार्ड्स, आइडेंटिफाइंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्लैश कार्ड्स. सेकंड, दे विल बी सॉर्टिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्लैश कार्ड्स. लाइक आपने मिक्स कर दिया वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट, नाउ दे आर गोइंग टू सॉर्ट इट आउट. एंड क्या होता है, अब देखो वेजिटेबल एंड फ्रूट्स में भी क्या होता है, दे आर न्यूट्रल एज वेल. सम आर कॉल्ड, सम there are some vegetable which comes in the category of fruits as well, and some fruit which come in the category of vegetables. So we can level it up as per whatever we are teaching. Rhymes and fruits की भी आपके stories आते हैं, and there are lots of stories. I think in Oxford Advantage you are having lots of stories and rhymes out there based on individual alphabets or individual what is this? Fruits and vegetables as well, animals and so many.
Students are doing well in class.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's a process. It's a all process where art integration is done. I think Oxford Advantage, you know, when you are using Oxford Advantage, you might be having a lot of videos available out there for higher grades. You know, higher grades we talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 specifically, where integration is being done in terms of activity based teaching.
Yes.
तो जहाँ पे experience आता है, जहाँ पे क्राफ्टिंग आती है, नो क्राफ्टिंग, आप समझो जहाँ पे क्राफ्टिंग आती है वो आर्ट की इंटीग्रेशन है. ठीक है, गॉट इट. थैंक यू सो मच. वेल डन. एनी फीडबैक दैट यू वुड लाइक टू गिव फॉर द वर्कशॉप, टेक अवे, लर्निंग, एनी फीडबैक फॉर मी?
Very engaging, ma'am.
Engaging and interesting.
Very real.
And we learn a
It's a
lot
very
of
real workshop.
Yeah, and
It's a
refreshing
very
also.
real workshop.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I hope you have had experience and the window is opening up. The possibilities of integrating art into your subjects, you can visualize. Please do take a note of it, that the art integration, you have to be very, very well prepared before integrating it. The lesson need to be planned and designed way in advance. You can't just out of the blue go in the classroom and think that today we are going to do this or that. It needs a lot of preparation and collaboration. So thank you so much for being such a wise audience, for being such engaging teachers, and more of all, you know, at 5 you are giving me showing that kind of that level of energy. That's remarkable. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Such a great session by such a great resource person. I sincerely thank Ms. Asia Shaheen for sharing her valuable expertise with us today. Your passion for integrating art into education has inspired all of us, and the knowledge that you have shared will undoubtedly influence the way we approach our teaching. So this workshop was excellent in every way that we wanted more of it. We surely were enjoying it. It was such a real-time workshop that the time has gone and end, but we did not realize that. We were so into that we were enjoying it. We were talking like that. We were all having a real-time fun. So thank you so much, ma'am, for that. But as it says that the one thing that starts, that ends as well. So we gathered here a lot of knowledge in this workshop, and it is going to be a lifelong experience for us in our personal lives, and hopefully that this will surely channelize in every positive way. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot, sir, for being here, and thank you so much for your expertise. And to felicitate your presence and keeping our connection, we would like to honor you with a token of gratitude. So for that, I would like to call our Deputy Director Sir and Principal Ma'am to escort Miss Ashia Ma'am and Chandan Sir here and honor them with a token of gratitude, a flower pot. And to Ma'am and Sir to kindly accept it. Ma'am and Sir, I hope that you both flourish more and reach the heights of success and contribute more in the field you are already working in. And you are always wonderful for that. So thank you so much for being in Imperial. It was such an honor for both of you being here. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much and have a great evening.